Make a great choice today with the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, Bose sound system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, chrome mirror caps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.